Evening, y'all. Thanks for coming. I'm Mary Jean. I'm so glad you're here because I have a new Jansport backpack. It's taken quite some time to come. I looked and I looked and I watched and I watched and finally it's here and I want to show it to you. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I know it's going to be perfect. It is. OMG. It is perfect. Gorgeous. So I had decided, after looking at many online and a friend, that I wanted the Hatchet one. And it had just the print I wanted, which was blue henna vine and Corsair blue henna vine. And they didn't have the print, which is the one thing I don't like. So I just kept watching, and this one came out, and I snagged it. So it's the Hatchet design, and this is called Ghost Garden. So it's Ghost Garden on black with black on black. That here, Ghost Garden on black. A little blue, isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh. So we're a Jansport family, have been for decades. When I went off to FSU, I got my first red Jansport, which lasted me clean through grad school. I don't know how long, because lots of people don't know this, but it does have a lifetime warranty. And I've never had one break or tear up, but a couple friends have, and that when you call them and say something broke or tore up, they will say, do you want a new one, or do you love it so much you can't bear to be without it, and send it to us and we'll fix it. And you have the choice. But I got my red one, and then when I graduated, my parents sent me on the classic traveling around Europe with my little brother for a summer, and we took these, a green and a blue one that's on a frame, you know, great big ones, and we backpacked and used them a million times. And then when my daughter Jessie Sage's friend went to Europe, she borrowed it, and 30 years later they used it for a summer around Europe, and we're still using it. It's wonderful and still hasn't torn up. And then I got to be a mom, and I just got hand-me-downs for years and years and years and years and years, and they lasted. Like the one I've been using recently is a pink Jansport that still has my youngest daughter's initials scrawled across it. Here, I can show you. So here's what I have been using. Logan, who is now 25, see that? LRM? She got it in 8th grade. She used it, then she handed it down to me, and this is what I've been using. And yeah, it's dirty, but nothing's torn or broken on it. Kind of wish that it would so I'd get a new one, but nope, it's still perfect. So I wanted my new one, and I started looking for it, and it's been a couple years. I've been checking the website and decided on the Hatchet, and then finally found the print that I wanted. So this is, all of us have had a Jansport, all 4 kids, me, and they just don't wear out. So I've been looking for it, found it, it came in, woohoo! Let me show it to you. So this comes over, you open and there's a zipper, and this is the pocket for an up to 15-inch laptop sleeve that goes in here. And then this one is a tablet, and it has this belt on the front so you don't scratch the screen of your tablet. Way cool, huh? And then here's a place for your keys, your phone, and then on the side are these little tiny pen holders on either side. Put pen or pencil in, and then more little pockets here or whatever it is you keep or need, cough drops, and then the great big inner pocket, which is sort of like that one with all the added, I don't think we thought about computers or tablets when that one came out. And then on the front is this pocket. These are, you can tie things on. Let me tell you, when my brother and I were in Europe with those two, we had these all over it. We thought we'd never use it. We tied on everything. By the time we came back, we had blankets on the top from Denmark. We had just gifts tied on and hanging off. We used it a lot. Then it has dual pockets for bottles. I really wanted this because you just need it. And these little tie-ons. Then back here are the sort of curved, more comfortable and padded straps. This is, you can just pick up and carry it by this, or you can hold it. And it has these to tighten it down to make it more stable, and then also stabilizing ones like that on either side. So you can stabilize the weight in different ways. Beautiful, huh? Yep. So I am just thrilled. This is exactly what I wanted, and I looked and looked and looked for it. And you're mine, you're mine. What's this one? Oh, good. See, I'm a teacher and I'm in all different schools all the time, so I carry everything you can possibly need to survive in this backpack I have. And now I'll be able to have this beautiful one. Thank you, old pink one. So there's all the wonderful new amenities, and then just pockets everywhere. Here's one right here that you can add onto. And I just love it. I am so happy with my little ghost garden hatchet. So let me know what you've experienced with Jansport. I know you all are out there loving them because they're well loved. So let me know in the comments if you have yours, if you've got a special one that you like, but nothing will change my mind about this one. And subscribe. I've got old-timey stories on my YouTube site, and I've got nature sounds. So I'm going to take my Jansport and go out into nature and record some more. Thanks for coming.